Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. Today we're going to be doing a review on this beautiful wig that I have installed, and it is glueless, you guys. So if you want to know all the details about this wig and this installation, stick around. So this wig is from Asteria Hair. They sent me a 22-inch, 180 density body wave texture. Let's jump into the unboxing portion of the video right now. Okay, so I did a really simple installation on this wig. I didn't do too much. Easy, ready to go out of the box install for you guys, so you guys can see that, you don't have to do a whole lot to wear wigs. Like if you're new to wearing wigs, this is a great option. I have underneath my wig grip. Okay, so it has a little lace here. I might have put too much there. It's okay. So anytime I can avoid wearing a wig cap, I will. Oh, this stuff really works. It is not going anywhere. Okay, so right now I'm pushing the comb underneath the wig grip. So when we're going to be cutting off this, I used to stop it pretty close, but now I like to go in and remove as much of that piece right there where the closure is. And today I'm just going straight. Not doing any zigzags or anything like that. You can't really see the part, so we need to train the hair to want to part better. And as you can see, like, this wig is not going anywhere. Like, that's with the wig grip, so that is amazing. I don't like to overpluck because once you do that, you can't go back. I'm gonna be careful. This lace seems a bit delicate, so I had to change my angle of plucking. But I know I'm always like bleaching my knots, and I wanted to show you guys a unit, style a unit without doing that, so you can see that you can wear it right out the box like I'm doing so right now. This is what the wig looks like on. Go back for you guys to see, and this is in its natural state, so I don't want to do too much to this wig. So no baby hairs. This is a no baby hair look today. I think we're going for, guys. Look at that, ready. That's super easy. I think what we're gonna do for the styling is give it a bit of crimp here because there's nothing really there right around this area of the hair, and just wear it. So this is a great style for, if you're on the go and you don't got time. Okay, so this hair is from Asteria Hair, and so far the hair feels really beautiful, you guys. I'm actually quite impressed. Like, it's so soft. My hands are running right through it. There's like hardly any smell to the hair. There's just slight smell, but you can literally wear it fresh out the pack. So if you guys watched my recent video, it was about my dog Maui. She is now like pretty much a dog that needs a lot of attention and special care, which is okay, but it was so sad. She's feeling much better. Her medication is definitely helping her, have less pain. First of all, girl, I think I am holding it the right way. I never been knowing if I'm holding these things the right way or whatever. But anyways, guys, yeah, she's doing much better. She's not, obviously not her 100% self, because she won't be, but considering like what's been happening, she's holding up. And we are going to do surgery on her. We just have to like schedule all that and figure out when's a good time to do that, because it is very expensive surgery. But when you have animals, they become part of your family. You care for them the same way as you would care for, you know, a family member. If they became sick, you want to make sure that you can do everything in your power to, you know, help them get better. So she's no different. Okay, this is a vibe. So yeah, I haven't really been in like the best mood, but I realized that you can sit around and mope about the issue, or you can, you know, do something about it. And some things are out of our control and we can't really change. So what I can change is obviously the way that I'm being productive. I'm really loving how the hair is crimping. It's taking really well to the crimper, as you guys can see. And all I did was pluck just the slightest amount of baby hairs. I did not bleach this unit. You guys, I did not bleach it. I know it sounds crazy, but I didn't. There's absolutely no glue, as you guys can see. I can, you know, lift the lace up so easily. So I love that. And it is going down to definitely below my boobies. So almost to my belly button, but not quite. And it's pretty much in its natural state, you guys. I didn't do too much to it. I wanted it to look kind of like natural, you know, like this is how it was, like that beachy kind of curl. So that's what I did with this. 180 density, and it also comes in 250 density. Look at it, like let's go up close. That's what it looks like. And I have the wig grip underneath. Now, if I wanted to just apply some foundation to the lace just to ensure that it's blending, because sometimes these wigs be looking good to us off camera, and then when you upload the video, you're like, oh no, the hairline, girl, the hairline. What do you guys think? Comment below your thoughts and opinion on this hair. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys how full it is. Super full. I'm loving this hair. It feels really good. I would definitely recommend this hair. Check them out. I love the lace on this unit. Is giving me like effortless, like natural. Is this hair caviar approved? Yes, it is, girl. This wig is definitely caviar approved. Look at it. Can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me this is not my hair. You can't tell me that that wig is not laid. It's not laid. It's really not laid, but you can't tell me that. So definitely check them out, you guys, and check out the link in the description for any other information about the installation process today. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. I got to go. I'll see you guys later. Bye.